Now let's look at the subtopic of 9.3 application of differentiation in economic and business. Okay, first of all, let me introduce to you what is a cost function. We can denote the cost function as Cx. Cx is a cost function which is the total cost to produce X unit of product. Means the cost function consists of the fixed cost and variable cost. Okay, we can write the Cx is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. Okay, what is the fixed cost? The fixed cost is a cost incurred when no unit of product is produced. Means that C0 when the X is equal to 0. Okay, some example of fixed costs include the rental, salaries of the worker, the insurance, which does not change with an increase or decrease in the amount of the product produced. Okay, there is the fixed cost. Okay, how about the variable cost? The variable cost is the cost depend on the quantity of X produced. Okay, so there's a fixed cost and variable cost. Now let's look at the average cost function. Okay, average cost function is the cost to produce one unit of product. So the formula for the average cost function we can write as C bar X is equal to the total cost function divided by the quantity of X. Now we come to the marginal cost function. Okay, what is marginal cost function? Okay, the marginal cost function, which is the additional cost incurred as a result of producing and selling one more unit of the product at a production level of X unit. Okay, the marginal cost function actually is a first derivative of the total cost function. Or we can write it as C prime X is equal to differentiate of the cost function with respect to X. Okay, so C prime X is equal to differentiate the cost function with respect to X. Okay, usually the question asks you to interpret the answer that you get. Okay, how to interpret the marginal cost function? For example, if we get the C prime 10, we get the answer equal to 8. Okay, how are we going to interpret our answer? We can interpret like this. At the production level of 10 unit, the production cost is increasing at the rate of 8 ringgit per unit of production. Or in other words, the cost of producing the 11 unit of product is 8 ringgit. We can interpret like this.